If you are currently dealing with chronic pain in your knees, lower back, and even your shoulders, but you still want to strengthen your body and work out, you are in the right place. I'm going to share with you 6 great strengthening exercises that are not only low impact, but can help to reduce some of that pain in your body. And by following all of the exercises in the video, we can hopefully get rid of some of that chronic pain for good.
To work your knees in a low impact way, I love doing some step downs. I typically use a very small step to do this exercise and practice bending and straightening my knee numerous times. Try to do this exercise for 30 or more repetitions, keeping your torso nice and straight to get some blood flow and nutrients into your knee, ankle, and hips. In addition to this, single leg RDLs will bolster your back strength in a unique way. Often, we are used to bending over straight down in front of us, and because of this, we don't gain a lot of single leg strength to bend down to the side on one leg. The single leg RDL is a great way to work both of these things and help chronic pain in your lower back. If you want to check out the adjustable dumbbells we recommend and use in the video, I am going to link those below. Now we can't forget about our shoulders, as face pulls are an excellent low impact exercise to strengthen our upper trapezius, rhomboids, and some of our rotator cuff muscles. I really like this exercise because you can do it with cables at the gym or even a resistance band as well, which we will link below. If your posture is particularly poor, this will help to improve your posture muscle strength, decreasing pain and immobility in your upper body. And although those exercises are great, there are a few more that you can't forget about.
Before we get into that, I need to make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to continue to improve the overall strength in your body without aggravating your chronic pain, we make videos helping individuals of all abilities with that, in addition to navigating the fitness, health, and gym industry.
Now the Atg Split Squat is one of the best single leg knee and hip strengthening exercises for individuals with chronic pain. Not only do you work your knee in a very large range of motion, but you also get a nice stretch with your hip flexor in the back muscle. I also enjoy this exercise because you can make it more difficult and challenging by lowering the foot you have up on the object down to the ground. If your back is painful and weak, adding in some glute bridges might help to alleviate some of that chronic pain. The glute bridge will target your glutes and hamstrings specifically, which can act as a support muscle for your lower back. By having your glutes strong, it can help to take off some of the stress of a movement where the lower back might be taking over. Now, if those weren't good enough, doing some external rotations with a band will help your shoulder health even more. For those with chronic shoulder pain, individuals often have very weak external rotator muscles. Doing external rotations with a band allows you to do 30 plus repetitions until you feel a light burn in the front of your shoulders. If there is any pain when doing this, try using a lighter band.
Now, if you wanted a few more ideas on how to move pain-free, I think you would enjoy these 2 videos right here. Otherwise, you can check out our low impact exercise program below, which can also help you to improve the strength in the rest of your body.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.